your question is gx is equal to x square minus 2 comma x belongs to real number. H x is equal to 2x plus 5 x belongs to real number. Now they have given the question find GHX, and here they have given solve equation GHX is equal to 40. Now how we will proceed? See that what they have given. So they have told you to find out the value of GHX. GHX. So just take this value as y. So now it will become what? You can see GY, or you can say it's nothing but G in brackets y. For that what we have to do? See this. We have to replace the value of H in G. H value in G. That means what? This value you have to be placed. This is your y now. Okay. This value you have to place in Gx. So now it will form a Gy, not Gx. That means that what? Gx is x square minus 2. And we have to replace this value here. So therefore we will get what? GHX is equal to, we can say x square. That means 2x plus 5. Instead of x we will put this value. Whole square minus 2. Okay, now solve this. So here we will get a plus b whole square. That means it's a 4x square plus 20x plus 25 minus 2. Now it will be 4x square plus 20x plus 20. So this is your GHX. Now in second thing what they have told you, solve equation GHX is equal to 40. That means this is your GHX, that is equal to 40. Bring this 40 to this side. So here you will get what? 4x square plus 20x plus 23 minus 40. That is equal to 0. So what is this? 23 minus 14 is 9. So you will get 4x square plus 20x plus 9. That gives you 0. So this is 36. 4 into 9 is 36. And if you split them, 36, that means 6 into 4. 6 into 4 we can say, or 36 means 18 into 2 also. So 18 plus 2 is 20. So therefore we will now split it and we will write it as 4x square plus 2x plus 18x plus 9, that gives you 0. Here the common is, in this is 2x. So here it will come 2x plus 1. Here the common is 9. Again you will get 2x plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now the factors are 2x plus 9 and 2x plus 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore what is your x? So we can say x is nothing but minus 9 by 2, or x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So these are your two values.